The idea was to have a workshop that was a little bit experimental and learn how to transform a life experience into a visual language. The students came to class with already an existing 100 pages, and we analyzed them and condensed them into an extreme reduction to find the kernel of what the story is, to really get to the idea. What is the idea that we want to get across? We shift from general crit. We have behind me some of the work that we pasted on the wall, and it's very important to see it in context. The one thing that is nice is to work collaboratively on the same project, which is the theme is Milano, and what it means to the students Milano. We all are exposed to the same thing. In a sense, we have access, let's say, to the same thing. But it was fascinating to see Milano through the eyes of 16 different students. And everyone had a different criteria and different way of interpreting Milano. I was very, very impressed with the quality of work, particularly in such a condensed time. And I think that there was electricity in the room, something that is beautiful and it's well executed. You perceive it right away, and students perceive that kind of quality from everybody else that is doing the work. And so there was a very, very good atmosphere that I really, truly enjoyed. And whenever there is this kind of energy, it's really a wonderful moment. The work ultimately speaks for itself because everybody enjoys tremendously the outcome of it.